What's up guys, Technology for All here, and today I have a special unboxing of the new Apple iPhone 6. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the box and let's just jump right into it because I'm excited and I'm pretty sure you guys are excited as well, since today was actually the launch day of the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. So here's the box. I got this from T-Mobile. This is just a plain white box that just says iPhone and nothing like on top or on the sides or nothing colorful really. This is the space gray version, by the way. So I guess what Apple decided was to release the launch iPhones with just a plain white box that says iPhone right here, and that's pretty much about it. And just some information on the top, like usual, saying the things it comes with and all that. And what I was covering down there was you know, information that shouldn't really be shared, like, SIM card number and serial number and things like that. So let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at what's inside. Slowly doing it. This is my first time unboxing it as well. And bam. That is the new iPhone 6. I got the 64GB model, as you saw from when I showed the back of the box. So this is the new beautiful iPhone 6. I didn't get the 6 Plus because of a couple of reasons. One, it was too big for me, like too big for my hands. And two, it was severely over high demand. Like, it sold out within 4 hours of pre-orders. So there was like absolutely no way anybody can get a 6 Plus unless you were to wait like a few weeks until Apple releases more and stores get in stock and whatnot. So yeah, I'm fairly happy with getting the iPhone 6 itself, 64GB, mind you. And so this is the iPhone 6 itself. Newly redesigned, bigger screen. I don't remember exactly the resolution for this, but I'll probably put like a little text right here that shows the resolution of this phone. I got the space gray version, as you can see. I was going to get the silver one, but apparently T-Mobile only had the space gray versions available, so that kind of sucked, but, I just really wanted the iPhone 6, and so I'll take the space gray. Have no problem with that. And then inside we have the usual stuff. The Apple earbuds. I think that's what it's called. Or earpods? Earpods, I believe it's earpods. Apple earpods, the charger, and the lightning cable. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing new pretty much under the box, or under the phone. And in the little packet right here, it's the same old stuff. Apple stickers, iPhone information, which I believe is also warranty information. Yes, it is. And an instruction manual, I guess, on how to use the new iPhone 6. Is this open or is this just a... I don't know. Yeah, it's like a little card, I guess. See, can't open it. It's like a little card. Just shows you how the iPhone 6 looks like and like the buttons and all that and what they do. And welcome to iPhone, learning more, get support, all that good stuff. Alright, so let me go ahead and put this back in the shelving here. I never really use the Apple stickers. I should really use them sometime. I don't know. I just never have a use for them, I guess. Alright, let's go ahead and put the box back in. And keep that new, fresh smell in there. It actually smells like Sharpies, which is really weird, but anyway. So here's the iPhone 6, like I already showed you guys. Let's take a better look at it, actually. So here we have the home button and the... I forgot what's this called, the technology. Touch something. I don't exactly remember. I'll put another text saying what it actually is. So basically you can put your fingers here and actually scan your finger and unlock the phone for you, or do payments, or a bunch of other stuff. Here we have the camera, front-facing camera, pretty sure you can see that. The earpiece, and the new, longer, and I believe wider display, which again, I don't know the resolution exactly on the top of my head, so again, I'll put like a text box or something to show the resolution. On the back, we have the newer camera, which actually pops out, which you can see right there. Actually pops out a little bit. Got flash, I believe that's a microphone. The Apple logo in a chrome finish, like usual. iPhone, bit of descriptions and licensing and whatnot. And oh, for a second I thought these two were bolters, but no, these are just I guess the antennas. So on the left side, we have the volume rockers, which actually feel more stiff, so that's pretty good and pretty nice. And we have the vibrate and ringer switch, or at least that's what I call it, but I don't know the official name for it. And on the right side, we not only have the SIM card slot, but we also have the power button. The power button actually rests on here instead of the top. Now the reason for that is because on top there's a new piece of hardware. I forgot what that's called too. I am not doing well, am I? But basically, you can use your credit card information. Like, let's say you put your credit card information on the iPhone itself, and you go to, let's say, McDonald's as an example, and they have those little things for the credit card. There's like a little logo that looks like a, not a Wi-Fi logo, but it's like you could do something wirelessly with it. Basically, if you add your credit card on your iPhone, you can actually just push a button. So you order a Big Mac, you open up the app that you use to send the information, your credit card information, push the button, you hear a little cling, you know, like a little sound, it'll process it, and then bam. So basically, this is Apple's safer way of using credit cards. Basically, you don't show the cashier your information. You don't show Apple their information, your information. Nobody sees your information of the credit card except you. Not even even if you add the credit card onto the iPhone itself, the iPhone doesn't display the card number or anything. So let's say your iPhone was stolen or lost or something. Nobody can go into your information and check your credit card info because it won't be there. And if you were to actually lose or have your phone stolen, you can actually use Find My iPhone to delete all those credit cards in like one click. So that's actually really useful as well. So anyway, this was the unboxing of the iPhone 6. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. I really apologize for that, but refer to my update video if you're wondering why. Long story short, it's just I've been really busy with like college and all that kind of stuff because I started about a month ago. So I'm like really focused on college and